Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. Many people ask, do we have a headband wig? Yes, we do have headband wig, and today's video let me show you a sample of our headband wig. This is 10 inches deep weave headband wig, and look at the front of the headband wig. This is the headband with a deep weave hair texture. Very nice and bouncy hair. And this is front. You can have a bow here, and let me show you. This is headband, which can help you to adjust the hair, and this is inside with all the comb for you to put very secure on your head. This is a deep weave texture, very nice and beautiful texture, and great dense hair. The front line of the headband wig inside. Very nice, beautiful. We can do all the textures with either Remy hair or virgin hair, and all the lengths can be done. So if you want a headband wig, feel free to place your order on joicehair.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Drama.